Hey guys, I'm sick and tired of walking. We've been walking around looking for Rainforest Cafe because we want Paris. Look at me. Because we want this little girl to have the best experience ever. How do you feel?
I still want to build a bear.
You want to build a bear? You don't care?
Popcorn. Come on.
Well, so how do you feel about walking around so far to where we can't even find it?
I feel sad.
Hold on, wait. Outfit check. Outfit check.
Outfit check.
Ah, outfit check. Look at the hair. Slade. Look at the shirt. From Rainbow's Boutique. Period. Tell them period. Outfit check, Annie.
Period.
How you looking, Annie?
You know.
Okay. I see Annie. Come on, baby. I see you. So, on the way to Rainforest, and she is just like, ugh, taking forever. How do you feel, Annie?
I feel good.
You feel good?
I'm hungry.
Come on, niece, let's go. Keep it up. You look like Scream on your shirt.
What?
Are you peeking? Let me check.
Got
You're
her on
peeking.
camera.
The camera shows you're peeking. You're peeking. Thank you. I definitely can tell you're peeking.
They always
I'm
just
not
know.
peeking.
She's so beautiful.
I'm not peeking, Amy.
Okay.
Okay, well, we're almost here. This is where we are almost at, guys.
Can you hear me?
Just for the baby. Baby. For the baby.
Okay, ready? Stop. Hold on.
Your journey,
Open your eyes.
keep it closed.
Are you
Don't
ready?
open.
Hold on.
Hold on, let me get this good footage. Okay, so are you ready?
Come
Are
up a
you
little bit
ready?
more.
If you're
Come
ready,
up
give me a
little
big
bit more.
fat thumbs up.
Come up
Yeah,
a
let's
little
come up a little bit more.
Right here.
All right, stop. If you're ready, give me a
Are you ready?
huge,
You ready to go
big
eat?
fat
Are you-
thumbs
you're
up.
ready to go eat in this place and have fun?
Give me a big fat thumbs up. Say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Say a bookie boogie book.
Oh, boogie, boogie, boogie.
Say, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Ready? Set. You ready, baby? 1, 2, 3. Open. Wait.
Wait, come here. I don't know where we go. Come here. Come over here.
Look, it says we begin here. Follow the footprint. Hey, wait, it says follow the footprint.
Oh, follow the footprint.
Come here, baby.
You're supposed to follow the footprint.
You ready? Follow the footprints. Ready, go. If you feel good, give me a thumbs up. Ah! Go.
Okay, put him down.
You like them? Put them down. You can get them whenever we come back out, okay? You can get a bag of them.
Come on.
You can get a bag when we come out. Yeah, she is. You ready, baby?
Wow.
Wait. Oh, you think it's magical?
Yeah.
It's magical. How do you feel?
Look, Amy.
I'm looking. Okay, you can go. Come on, you gotta follow her. You like that they're sitting on animal butts? food after, but here's this. Check this out. Check that out. And chicken Alfredo was fucking delicious. Paris, how good was your pizza?
It was yummy.
It was yummy. Annie, how good was your Alfredo?
Yummy. I'm about to take it to go so I can eat, like, you know, finish it up at home. Cause
Do I get to get a bite though?
I'm